Hi, my name is Paul Gardner, and I'm the brand manager for Jayco Camping Trailers. At Jayco, we've always been committed to building quality camping trailers, and our 2013 model year units are no different. This year's 2013 lineup features 3 series: the affordable J Series Sport, the amenity-filled J Series, and the toy-toting Baja. Our Jayco camping trailers are backed by 5 lifetime component warranties. These warranties cover the lifter system, bed platform, roof, frame, and floor. We also offer a 5-year tent warranty on all 3 models with our Duratec water-repellent tent material. This material is double-stitched and built to resist mold, mildew, scratches, and cracks. While still being an incredibly affordable option for customers, the 2013 J Series Sport is debuting a few product enhancements, including added straps for the entry door storage and the optional deluxe plumbing package. This package includes a 6-gallon water heater and outside shower. Meanwhile, the 2013 J Series, along with the other camping trailer series, features new decorative wallboard. The J Series also offers a new Sienna decor package, while the X Series has a new large folding grab handle at the entry door. Baja also offers the same large folding grab handle, while the exterior sidewalls of the 2013 Baja are now a pebble green fiberglass, replacing the smooth fiberglass from last year. Also new for 2013 is the Shadow Decor package. Thank you for joining me while I shared a little bit about what's new for 2013 Jayco Camping Trailer lineup. Have a great day and go out and create those camping memories.